With over 35 years of research, development, and regular feedback from the most demanding military end users, our designs continue to evolve for the better. The Barrett M107A1 is no mistake. The M107A1 has been engineered for action. With a nod to Eugene Stoner and his direct impingement design, Barrett is proud to produce the Rec 7DI, a lightweight, modular, accurate AR that even the most die-hard traditionalist can appreciate. Featuring an optimized gas system for reliable operation with or without a suppressor, with your choice of matched-grade stainless or chrome-lined barrels, the Rec 7DI is truly a pleasure to shoot. The upper and lower receivers are forged from 7075 T6 aluminum, mil-spec T3 hard-coat anodized for durability, and finished with Cerakote for a perfect color match. The Rec 7DI is available in 5.56 NATO, 6.8 SPC, and 300 blackout, making it the ideal choice for on-duty, on the range, or in the field. Every great company has its marquee product that serves as the foundation upon which the brand is built. For Barrett, that role is filled by the legendary Model 82A1, the world's first shoulder-fired semi-automatic 50 BMG rifle. Fed from a 10-round detachable box magazine, the Model 82A1 delivers impressive accuracy, low recoil impulse, and relentless reliability under the most demanding conditions. Featuring steel upper and lower receivers with a durable anti-corrosion finish, the rifle is readily adaptable to each mission. With long and short barrel options, 2 proven calibers, and a slimline forend that allows attachment of a wide range of accessories and electro-optics. Every rifle is checked for fit and finish, then tested for function and accuracy before being packaged in a custom Pelican hard case. With more than 30 years of service with American and Allied military units across the globe, the Model 82A1 is more than just. When it comes to firearms, there's something to be said for simplicity and rugged reliability. Enter the Barrett Model 99. Engineered from the ground up as the ultimate 50 BMG long-range precision rifle, the single-shot bolt-action Model 99 does not disappoint. Its compact bullpup design minimizes overall length without sacrificing ballistic performance. Featuring a rigid one-piece aluminum receiver, match-grade barrel, precision trigger, and high-efficiency 3-port muzzle brake. The Model 99 delivers match-winning accuracy time and time again. Available in 50 BMG and 416 Barrett, the Model 99 has one mission: get